What is your opinion on mac and cheese? I think it sounds like a great name for a comedy duo. Mac would be the big, sturdy, beer-drinking, straight man while Cheese would be the wise guy or gal. Mac is a solid but lovable conservative and Cheese is somewhere off on the far left. Mac can see a brick wall before he runs into it, while Cheese goes hell for leather over the top, not caring what's on the other side. You meant the food. Mac and cheese is a perfect storm of carbs and dairy, guaranteed to fill your belly, warm you up on a cold night and help you deal with that too many tequila hangover at 4 a.m. But it's gotten way too fussy in recent years. Mac and cheese with lobster? No. Mac and cheese with a breadcrumb and bacon topping? Maybe. I like a fancy dinner as much as the next girl, possibly even more than the next girl, but when I think mac and cheese I don't think fine dining. I think comfort food. I don't want exotic cheeses that would be more at home on a cheese board. I want something flavorful like a well-aged cheddar, Gruyere or Monterey Jack. Then I want something with a little more bite and funk, like shredded Parmesan or possibly some provolone. Just enough to make it interesting. Parmesan doesn't melt well on its own, but added to one of the above-mentioned cheeses it rounds out the flavor and adds a nice cheesy funk. Then there's the pasta. Boxed mac and cheese usually has those little elbow macaroni. They make neat mouthfuls for kids. You can eat them with a spoon and the cheese sauce can insinuate itself into the hollow interior. But there are more interesting shapes. Small or medium shells are good. They cup the cheesy sauce so you get balanced mouthfuls of pasta and cheese. Campanile are also nice. But my favorite shape for mac and cheese is radiator. They have those little fins to hold on to all the delicious sauce, and they hold their texture when baked. A good, thick, gooey cheese sauce, with salt, black pepper and a hint of nutmeg. A good pasta shape that will hold the sauce and not lose its texture when baked. And a crisp topping. Breadcrumbs, Parmesan and a drizzle of olive oil is my go-to topping. You can add crumbled bacon if you like. I'm leaving mine plain. The best thing about mac and cheese? You can cut the leftovers into thick slices, do a flour, egg and breadcrumb coating, and fry them as a midnight snack.